Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video I will show you that how to design a resume with a blank page. So here I didn't use any kinds of template that is fully maintained. So hereby I have took down some information and now I will give you the exact information that how to make a resume with a blank page. So first I have tried to add a sticker from the Microsoft Word own page manually, and now the resume owner will put down his name and now the address, email address and the phone number should share here inside the resume. So this is really very important about your personal information. So now come to the about. Inside the about section you need to write down about yourself, like what is your qualification in a short note. So first of all I want to show you the resume has been designed for two separate parts inside a A4 sheet. So that's why I have segmented into the single page into the two different sides. So now first write down everything inside the left side and then come to right side. So after that the education. So here you need to share all information about your qualification, the year and the grades you have pursued in your academic year. So how do you manage the font size? So hereby you can see I have write down the paragraph should be in the format size is 10, and when you give the date, any kinds of information, particular information like date, your project name, these types of alphabet font should be 11, and you can use like me the block size. So you can see the differences, and now come to the skill part, and hereby you can see I have used a chart to showcase my skill. So if you want to contribute more columns you can add it here. There's no problem or no hesitation, you can add more particular skills, but I have just shared the 4 main skills that I have earned, or any kinds of subject or any kinds of tutorial if you want from my side. So please feel free to ask or share your comment. So hereby I have made the today's resume is dedicated for the data science engineer. So the data science is basically used for the machine learning, and particularly data science is also used for the data mining software. So hereby you can see in the current world the trade marketing is almost every application, this types of application is based on the data mining segmentation. So now the stickers has removed from the left to right side, and now come to the objective. Yes, the objective. What is the objective? Objective is the main perspective that you have learned or that you have acquired in your academic year. So after that, hereby you can see I am just maintaining the paragraph. Here is some error, so when you get some error you will just copy and write down, right click it, and you can put a right information. So now come to the reference. Yes, the references is very important if you are changing your company or your current job, so that time reference is important. So hereby I have just given the reference because of the academic person is referring you for a particular project. That types of reference you can showcase here inside this resume. So after that come to the experiences. Yes, when you would go for a fresher, go for any company as a fresher, so you need to write down some your personal project where you have linked directly. So here some of the main or leading project you need to showcase here that you have already participated on that project. So this is really very important. So hereby you can see the image recognition process and high scale imaging recognition process. So this types of skills is basically based on the data science. So that's why I have selected these 3 topic. You can add any kinds of topic that you have learned or you have participated on your academic session. So thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you need anything more, please comment on the description. So thanks for watching my video, and goodbye for now, and welcome my new tutorial video. Goodbye for now.